Are you competitive? And do you always want to get the better of others? Hi, my name is Gavin and I bring you simple videos on self-development because I believe self-development is the greatest investment. When I was in school, I liked to score more marks than my friends. Competition at that early age motivated me. As I grew up, I began to realize that there were times when, even though I gave my best attempt, I couldn't score more than what my friends did. And there were other times when, even without really studying, I scored more marks than my friends. That brought me to the realization that there were times when, though I scored more than my friends, I really could have done better. So by the time I graduated, giving my best is what motivated me. Now, giving my best didn't always mean that I got the outcome that I wanted. Most times I did, but not always. However, giving my best attempt had some benefits, and that's what I would like to share with you today. You see, the first benefit of giving my best attempt always was intrinsic motivation, which means when I shifted my focus on results which were external to me to efforts which were internal to me, that changed my focus and I was motivated intrinsically. The second benefit was full responsibility, zero excuses. The results weren't always in my control. The efforts always were. So while I could get up and say that I didn't get a certain outcome because there were different variable factors, there was no reason to say that I didn't give my best attempt. So that was the second benefit. Full responsibility, zero excuses. The third benefit was that my opinion mattered the most to me. Let me elaborate. Say for example, if I went to the gym and I had people there lifting twice the weight that I lifted, I didn't really get into those competitions about who lifts the heaviest, because I knew that I was giving my best attempt each time that I stepped into that gym. The fourth benefit of giving my best attempt was stepping out of my comfort zone. As you may know, I am a behavioral skills trainer and a coach. When this pandemic began, I was used to doing face-to-face trainings and coachings for my clients. And so I wasn't really convinced about how effective the online mode would be. So even though I wasn't sure, I decided I would do what I always did, which means give my best attempt. 6 months down the line, it's been a great journey. A journey where I've been able to deliver results to my clients as well as learn a lot myself about how to engage participants even online. Even speaking to a camera like I am now with these YouTube videos is new to me. Again, here the idea is to give my best attempt and not focus on the results. It's just the effort that I'm going to focus on. The fifth benefit has been the increase in my self-belief. You see, when I kept stepping out of my comfort zone, it helped me grow as an individual. And it helped me increase my belief in myself because over time I was doing things which even I didn't think were possible in the past. And so that's about me and the benefits that I have seen by giving my best attempt. What about you? Can you put your hand on your heart and say that you give your best attempt in everything that you do in your career or your health or your personal life? Do write into me and let me know your thoughts. If you like what I'm doing, do click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. You could also share my videos with people whom you think can benefit from this journey of self-development. And so on this journey of self-development, I invite you to give your best attempt each time. Thank you.